Have you heard the word can, could, will, would, shall, should, and so on? They are modal verbs. Nah, apa itu modal verbs? Fungsinya apa saja? You will learn more about modal verbs. So stay tuned. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, welcome again to this channel, Learning with Abi, Asdad, and Umi. Here, we will learn English together. Before we start, as usual, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And ring the bell to get notification from us, okay? Now let's see what we have today. Modal verbs. Modal verbs are part of the big family of auxiliary verbs atau kata bantu. Di video-video sebelumnya, Abi dan Umi sudah menerangkan tentang auxiliary verbs atau kata bantu ini. You can check out video from Umi about to be, and then from Abi about present tense. Di sana ada is, am, are, do dengan does. And also video about past tense. Di sana ada was, were, dan juga did. And those are auxiliary verbs. What's the function of modal verbs? Modal verbs give meanings to another verbs. Jadi fungsinya memberikan arti yang baru pada kata kerja yang sudah ada. Nah, untuk membahas modal verbs ini tidak cukup hanya dalam satu video. So we'll talk about the general things here. On the next video, we're going to give you more detail, more specific about modal verbs. Jadi nanti kita akan bagi beberapa part untuk video tentang modal verbs. So we'll see what modal verbs are. Modal verbs ada must, may, might, will, would, can, could, shall, should, atau kalian boleh mengingatnya dengan 3 M's, must, may, might, 2 W's, will and would, 2 C's, can and could, and 2 S's, shall and should. Modal verbs has strict rules to follow. Jadi perhatikan baik-baik ya aturan-aturan apa saja yang ada dalam modal verbs. Number 1, bare infinitives comes after modal verbs. Jadi setelah modal verb itu diikuti oleh kata dasar, tidak pakai to. Contohnya, I must go to school. Jadi bukan I must to go to school. Rule number 2, she, he, and it do not affect modal verbs. Jadi kalau biasanya she, he, it suka S, nah di modal verbs ini tidak ada S-nya. Contoh, she can play guitar, not she can play guitar or she can play guitar. A modal verb cannot be used with another modal verb. Misalnya, we must can win the competition. Because they are auxiliary verbs, so in negative forms, we don't have to use don't, doesn't, and didn't. Jadi cukup dengan modal verbs ini ditambah not. Contohnya, we will not sell our house. Or can be contracted, we won't sell our house. Atau bisa disingkat dengan we won't sell our house. Nah, untuk modal verbs yang bisa disingkat ini, contoh yang lainnya adalah kalau dalam positif, will dan would. Misalnya, I will become I'll. I would becomes I'd. For example, I will pick you up at 7. Jadinya, I'll pick you up at 7. Dan, I would be here soon. Jadi, I'll be here soon. Untuk yang negatif, must not, mustn't. Might not, mightn't. Will not, won't. Would not, wouldn't. Cannot, can't. Atau boleh can't. Nah, untuk cannot ini sering salah. Dalam penulisan, cannot itu disatukan ya, tidak dipisahkan. Could not, couldn't. Shall not, shan't. Should not, shouldn't. Sama dengan negatif, di interrogative juga mereka berlaku sebagai auxiliary verbs. So we don't have to use do, does, and did. Jadi tempatkan modal verbs ini before the subject, sebelum subjek. Contohnya, how could you do this to me? Now we are going to talk about the meaning of each modal verbs. Must, making assumption. He must be stuck in the heavy rain. Pasti dia terjebak hujan lebat nih. Necessity atau keharusan. You must study hard. Prohibition atau larangan. You must not eat and drink while you're studying. May dan might, yang ini hampir sama. May, possibility. She may be absent today. Sepertinya dia tidak hadir hari ini. Permission. Pakai may ini formal. Misalnya contoh kalau mau izin ke belakang. May I wash my hand? Might. Possibility. They might let you join a team. Will. Future action. Honey will go to Bandung next week. Ask polite questions. Will you close the door, please? Would. Ask polite questions. Would you bring me a glass of water, please? Offering help. Sama seperti yang sudah diajarkan di video sebelumnya. Would you like me to open the door for you, sir? Can. Ability. I can do math. Suggestion. You can go home with me. Impossibility. That can be you. Request. Can you turn off the light? Could. Past ability. When I was young, I could run fast. Asking for help. Could you bring me the books, please? Suggestion. You could choose him if you want. Possibility or impossibility. You could be number one. He couldn't be here on time. Shall. Offer. Shall we go now? Confirmation atau untuk memastikan. I shall meet you right away. Maksudnya, kayaknya kita harus ketemuan nih. Promise. You shall meet me next week. Should. Recommendation, suggestion, and advice. You should see a doctor. You shouldn't go. The rain is still pouring down heavily. Prediction. He should be here soon. Okay, students, do I make myself clear? If you have questions, please write on the comment section below. Okay? Nah, sekarang buat latihan. Choose 2 modal verbs that I have explained and make sentences from them. 1 sentence for each. Write on the comment section below, okay? Okay, students, that's all I can share with you today. Next video, I'm going to share with you more specific about modal verbs. As usual, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And ring the bell to get notification from us. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.